You probably want to know, what is StormFind? Well, StormFind is a way for us to connect to one another. And as we go to camp, you will find that there are 60 people, including adults, going to camp with us. And it's difficult to learn all of them. I think a tragic shame would be to end the week and not know at least something about each person going with us. So what I've created is a website, and on this website, you will find everybody going to camp with us. And this is really good because you can connect names to faces. And hopefully by the time we go to camp, all these will be filled in with actual photos. But for example, like this is Emma. Don't, if you've been calling her Becca and she doesn't pay attention, that's because her real name is Emma. And she likes playing volleyball and the violin and writing. So it's a little something about her. So that's the first thing about StormFind. Also, StormFind is a way of recording and remembering events that happen at camp. And so, for example, here's Faith. And let's say Faith has this crazy story about one day at lunch, something crazy happens, or maybe it's a thought about her experience at camp. She can edit it and go ahead and watch the video, editing your profile. She can put her camp thoughts here. She can update this. Maybe she doesn't like the color blue anymore. She wants to change that, so she could change that there. So the second part of StormFind is just a way of a place for us all to record our thoughts about camp. This is what we use when we do the Campy Awards in January. And I'll tell you, every year January pulls around, and Chad and Mandy and I get together and we say, well, what did happen at camp this year? And they kind of blend together sometimes. Well, this year it's going to be particularly bad because Chad and Mandy won't be here, and so we'll be relying on my memory, which is frankly very bad. So please, if you, as stories come in or you think of something, please put it on there, and we might use that for the Campy Awards. And lastly, StormFind is a game, and what will happen is I'll have these symbols all over camp, and you'll need to team up with somebody with a smartphone and try to locate these, and then that'll take you right to someone's profile. And so it's a way of us to kind of make it fun to find and learn about one another. And that's basically it. So please, even if you don't play the game, update the status. Tell us a little bit about camp and what you learned, or maybe a funny story on your profile, and that would help us out a lot and get to know one each other a little bit better. Thank you.